Alright, what's up everyone? I hope you guys are doing well today. So today, very nice day. Not only we won today, we made 1,030 on Nasdaq, but we got our payout already in the bank account. So that's nice. So in this video, I'll show you guys the process, which was very fast. I got the payout like in the same day anyway. The proof, the recap, all that, right? So yeah, if you guys are enjoying, subscribe, like. Soon we'll be at 100, so that's very nice. Thank you guys for the support, right? So take profit, you received 4,000 USD, really nice. So I requested 5,000, leaving 2,000 in the buffer with their fees, which is 20% as of right now for the pro. I'm end up with this 4,000 USD. From there, since I'm in Canada, this is 5,500. So now let's talk about timing. So today we are Friday, July 25. So I'm not gonna explain the whole process. So like you need to get approved by an admin. They need to check if you're legit. Then you can withdraw to your Wise account, PayPal, all that. I'll just talk about times. So I requested yesterday at 10 p.m. At 3 a.m. today, the admin approved it. I was asleep. Woke up at 8 a.m. and your payout request has been approved. From there, you go to the withdraw tab to withdraw it. I withdraw it, and at 10 a.m. So I withdraw it I got approved at 3 a.m., right? At 8 a.m. when I woke up, I sent a request to take a payout. From there, 2 hours later at 10, got the payout already sent to the Wise account. And from there, then it's just about Wise transferring to your bank, or if you're gonna leave it or whatever. So really, took me less than 12 hours maybe, and already got my payout. So take profit is definitely very fast. Unless of course you withdraw it Friday, then because it's the weekends, you're gonna get it Monday, right? But anyway, now that's over. I'm really happy, this is a lot of money. So yeah, that's gonna be nice. Today we made $1,000. So I'll show you guys the recap and all that. So for news, we had no news today. And yeah, let's start. So we had the Asia low, Asia high, London high, London low. Now what do we see on the 15-minute? This fair value gap from yesterday, we filled it and we rejected it, so this is still a valid fair value gap, right? Now, do we have any fair value gap to target or any direction? Right there, I've seen this whole thing right there. So we have here, right? So just this whole thing. If you go on higher time frame, it's easier to check as of right there. Back on the 5-minute. So I'll show you guys the trade that I took. 9:30, we came in, market open, we swept London low. Not only that, we filled the fair value gap again and rejected, leaving all wicks behind. So from there, this is as valid as it gets. Why? Not only we have time, so the time we trade, the setups are likely to happen between 9:30 to 10:30, right? So we have time, plus fair value gap, plus session, which is London session low, rejection, and retest. So from there, this is as good as a setup gets, right? For me. Let's go on the 1 minute to check. So right there, 930, filled it, perfect. And 931, we're still in this fair value gap. Now, if you wanted to play it safe, we still got, where am I? Right there. 935, we came all the way down to this fair value gap, still respecting it. Why? Because we still closed above and all of this are wick, no body. 940, the retest, you enter, right? But me personally, I just entered at 935. I entered right there at the London low. My stop loss is wide enough to cover everything. And very simple, from there, 5, 10, 15. In 15 minutes, we got full TP. And yeah, why did price move up? Well, we have unfilled fair value gaps on the higher time frame as we've seen. So price is more likely to move up. Not only that, here we are respecting heavily not only the session, but the fair value gap too. So this trade was just perfect. Now, as of YM was good too, but Nasdaq gave me more confluence, so I took the trade on Nasdaq. Let's do YM real quick. I don't remember if we had a gap anywhere. And this gap right there is not valid because we already have a lot of rangy price action in here. So 930, we sweep London low, then go all the way up. Now, one thing is, where's price more likely to move? Well, to fill this gap, and then from there, go below, go up, doesn't matter. 935, we fill this gap. Now it doesn't fill as nicely, right? But we still fill it, and we close below the Asia high. The London high. But from there, Nasdaq was just way cleaner, as we've seen. The rejection is clear. Now the body is very close to this high, so you know it's risky. And not only that, on Nasdaq we filled it perfectly. The fair value gap, everything. Like this is very clean. Anyway, on US 30, from there, if you have a 50-point stop loss for 100 for US 30 and 100, you enter right there. So 935 we reject, 940 you enter right away, and bang, full TP. But like I said, I took it on Nasdaq, very clean. 930, 935, 940, rejection, making this setup very valid. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm really grateful. Not only we got the payout today, which is 5K plus, not only we made money today, and I have you guys supporting me too, so I really appreciate everything. Now, from now on, I won't request any payout until I can start risking good money, right? So I'm risking one contract as of right now. I want to be risking, or I want to be making anyway from 5 or more K per day, right? Or per winning trade. So for this, I'll need to be risking at least 5 contracts. So either I'm gonna just start grinding, right? Until I have a good amount in my balance so I can start risking way more. Or I'm thinking about copy trading so I can still risk my 500, but now have more accounts and just scale up. Because with this payout that I just got, I can reinvest a little bit into whatever, take profit or top step, and copy accounts, which I can still risk small amount, so the account can be, I don't know the word, alive longer, right? And if it's copy traded, just imagine if I had a copy traded on this account. So let's say 5. This is 5x what I requested. But anyway, So yeah, I'll see what I'll do. If I get more accounts, if I just grind this one. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. See you guys Monday. Thank you guys.